Hi, this is the final evaluation of research project. My name is Patricia Heredat and I'm going to introduce my project. It's called Factors that Affect the Process and Results of Learning English as a Foreign Language in the 8th semester students at ESAP. ESAP means Escuela Superior de Administración Pública, that is a university where I work. For the first chapter about introduction is a section where highlights the relationship of the title of my research with the local context. The overview of this focuses on the exploratory research. So the problem statement is the basis from which or what or where start the research. So the idea start or become to my mind when when in a meeting in the university, they were talking about all the administrative, the teacher were talking about the lower scores at ESAP, especially in English. So I am a teacher in English. I'm an English teacher at ESAP. So it started to worry me about what can I do to the students if the university can offer some programs that the students can study English at a virtual ways or create some programs for them. But it doesn't matter because the score is the same. So I was trying to figure out how can I attend the students outside the classrooms and to research about what's going on with them, if they are really study or if they have a good level, if they have a good level before to start at university, about what are the motivation to study English, if they like it or not, what is going on with them. So it started to bring all these kind of questions, and that was the great idea that I started this kind of research. For this research, I created this general objective that it was to identify the factors that influence the learning of English as a foreign language in the 8th semester students of the Territorial Public Administration career at ESAP. I choose this kind of community in the 8th semester because they are the students who present the ESAP test, or the CAES test, excuse me, and the Saber Pro. So that is the target of the community. For my specific objectives, it was to characterize the profile of the students in a social education context, also identify factors that influence student learning, and consolidate the relationship between the factors that are involved in the process and learning outcomes. For about the limitation, well, I didn't have any because as a teacher I can I can keep the contact with the students, so it's really easy to keep all the information and bring the data for them. I think that this project is necessary to investigate the factors that influence the learning process of the students, to give some consideration for the reason or the strategies of the process as a cognitive, social affective, the environment factors, so which affect the learning outcomes in the English as a foreign language, where they must be configured the teacher learning process. I think that this kind of results for this research will help to know the strategies or the best techniques uses in the process of learning English to determine the students' experience process as an individual and and of the experience with the process are similar or no for the common. For the definition of the terms, I use it in my document: educational, learning, social, cultural, social, educational, also cognitive factors, social affective, and the environmental factors. For the second chapter, the literal review, at this point I was trying on the overview placement from the basic standard of the foreign language skill to introduce some conditions to develop the language. Also, what kind of role of the teacher should offer or compare the English as a signature. Also, I want to mention about the constructivist model that use it in ESAP. In addition, the strategies that ESAP has used to offer students opportunities to continue their language learning process as is a program called ESAP Global English. Also, I share some information about adult student learning to be effective and successful, to motivate the students to learn English, because most of them they are older, even older than me. Also, in addition, to create considerable conditions or environment for language acquisition. May I also mention about learning strategies and factors that may could be an influence for them. For the previous theories, I have this kind of information. I use the ESAP Informe de Acreditación. It was the main instrument for me, who showed me what is the level of the English level of the students. Because when I was teaching English, I consider that, well, they have good scores. I think that if they are going to present the test, they could be a nice score. But no, but I don't know what is going on. So it showed me another phase of the students. So it was a nice key to reveal what is going on with the students, and if not as the students, well, what is going on with the way that I'm teaching, or how they are answering this kind of tests, if they are prepared for that. Another document that I used for this research was difficulty factors for learning English as a foreign language in students with poor performance in English, from ICESI University. It's from Diaz. It was a research in the area of learning foreign language to have or to identify the factors such as motivation, anxiety, learning styles, and study strategies are keys to development learning. From Manga, is a document of second language for a language teaching learning factors and incidents. It was really important because it makes a difference between the individuals and their different ways of learning language, and the difference between the environment they are living. The final document that I used was variables, the influence that learning English as a second language. It was from Santana, and it explored the variables which was the better learning way of the English language. For example, how was the type of school, the hours of instructions. For the chapter 3 research framework, from the theoretical framework, I use some characteristics of English in foreign language, theoretical principle of language, and common European framework of reference for language. I try to to make a great concept for each of them. For the conceptual framework, I try to make a chain from the ideas. So I start to show some methods in language teaching, the roles of teaching of learning, teacher and learners, factors of incidence of learning English as a foreign language, also cognitive, affective social, as an attitude and motivation, and also an environment factors and study organization. All of them, they are factors. But I use, and especially the law of bilingualism and national plan of English, because that bilingual in Colombia, because that was some project that the government made it, and I can say that it wasn't work too much, and I think that as a teachers English we need to I don't know, more power from the government. So I can see that the law of bilingualism, that was a law who wants to create, to promote the language for everybody, and then they create a national plan of English, Colombia very well, who suppose that we can, from 2025, everybody can speak English, but no, that is really difficult for that, because our community our community doesn't have the same opportunities. There are different ways to learn English, and it's no quality. It's not. There are some excuses. Well, the government start to realize that it wasn't happen, that it could be not happen. So they try to create the bilingual Colombian, and that was worse because the government forgot. The government created with some curriculums and with some assignatures and with some structured or organized how can the teachers teach, but they forgot how teach the teacher to teach English, because most of them, the teacher, they don't know English, so it is really hard for that. But the main idea of this is the students, but because that is the reflect of the I don't know, the answer of the answer or the result of the kind of teachers. So the research hypothesis that I did is, except 8 semester students do not improve their test results in the English area if something is not done to solve the factors that affect learning. If this is enough, it does not matter the motivation, the offers of study by the university, of the opportunities that a teacher or institution can offer you. Well, thank you so much. That was my research. Thank you.